You want to hear the truth? What you are and what I am? We never told the truth for 10 minutes in this house. Well, hear this, Willie. This is me. You want to know why I had no address for 3 months? It's because I stole a suit in Kansas City, and I was in jail. I stole myself out of every good job opportunity I had since high school. And I never got anywhere. Because you blew me so full of hot air. I couldn't stand taking orders from anybody. That's whose fault it is. It's goddamn time you hear that. You know, I ran down 11 flights with a pen in my hand. And suddenly, I stopped, you hear me? And in the middle of this office building, do you hear me? I stopped in the middle of this office building and I saw the sky. I saw all the things that I love in this world. The work, the food, and the time to just sit and smoke. I looked at this pen and I thought to myself, what the hell am I grabbing this for? What am I doing in an office making a contemptuous fool out of myself when I know that all that I want is out there waiting for me the second I say, I know who I am. I'm a dime a dozen, and so are you. I'm not a leader of men. And neither are you. You were never anything but a hard-working drummer who landed in the ash can just like all the rest of them. And me? I'm $1 an hour, Willie. I couldn't raise it. I tried 7 states. $1 an hour. I'm not bringing home prizes anymore. And you have to stop waiting for me to bring them home. I'm nothing. I'm what I am. That's it.